Arizona Attorney General investigates Trump's comments on Liz Cheney. The Arizona Attorney General's office has launched an investigation into recent comments made by former President Donald Trump concerning former Congresswoman Liz Cheney. Trump's remarks, delivered during a public event on Thursday night, have raised concerns due to their violent tone. Specifically, Trump suggested that Cheney would not be a war hawk if guns were trained on her face. Background on the controversial remarks. Trump's comments about Cheney, a well-known critic of his, immediately drew criticism and concern. Cheney, a former congresswoman and prominent Republican, has been outspoken about her disagreements with Trump, particularly in relation to his influence on the GOP and his actions following the 2020 election. Trump's statements have heightened worries around rhetoric that could incite violence, especially against political figures. Arizona Attorney General's response. The Arizona Attorney General's office responded swiftly, announcing an investigation into Trump's remarks to determine if they constitute a direct threat or could incite violence. The office emphasized its commitment to protecting public safety and investigating any language that may pose a risk to individuals, including public figures like Cheney. In a public statement, the Arizona Attorney General's office reaffirmed its commitment to uphold free speech while ensuring that boundaries around threats of violence are respected. This investigation highlights a larger concern about the tone of political discourse in the U.S. and the impact of such rhetoric on public safety. The potential legal implications. If the investigation finds that Trump's comments cross the line into threats or incitement, it could lead to legal consequences. Arizona state law takes threats of violence seriously, particularly those aimed at public figures. This case could set a precedent for holding public figures accountable for language that promotes or encourages harm toward others. The role of social media and public influence. Trump's statements, amplified through social media and news channels, underscore the reach and influence of public rhetoric. Public figures are increasingly held accountable for comments that may influence their followers, with the risk that such remarks could inspire real-world actions. This ongoing investigation serves as a reminder of the importance of measured language in the public sphere. Final thoughts. The investigation by the Arizona Attorney General's office is still in its early stages, but it sends a message about the responsibilities that come with public influence. As rhetoric continues to heat up, this probe may mark a critical moment in how the legal system responds to speech that could be interpreted as violent or threatening.